I've never been in Burroughs, Indiana before, but that train is heading down southwest, down into Lafayette. And I was just going along 24, going southwest, and then I was racing that train right along the highway there. And so I pulled off Burroughs. That sure was going fast. Wow, 45 miles an hour. Nice. There it is again. This is the last time that I'll be able to get it. And it'll be right here in just a second. Right next to the Dollar General. And there it is. Raindrops. It's raining a lot right now. Got the light there. That echoey horn, wow. Whistle, I should say. That echoey whistle, wow. It's gonna blow its whistle again in a moment. Just a second, it'll cross the next road. That is such an eerie sound, especially when you're having mountains surrounding you here, like it is here, and it just echoes so much. And then at nighttime, wow, that's amazing. That's really cool. Raindrop. Look at that. Nice. It is 9 p.m.